Looking for big screen entertainment without the high price? The Happrun H1 projector delivers true 1080p visuals, Bluetooth audio, and a massive cinema-style display, all in a compact, budget-friendly projector. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Happrun H1 projector, 100-inch projection screen, remote control, power cable, AV cable, HDMI cable, and user manual. Product overview. IR receiver. Lens. 1R receiver. USB 2 port. AV port. USB port. Headphone jack. HDMI port. Cooling window. Power jack. Focusing. Keystone correction. Power key. Source key. Arrow keys. Return key. Menu key. OK key. Bottom label. Hole for stand 1/4 inch. Height adjustment machine feet. Dust-proof net. Remote overview. Power, aspect ratio, arrow keys, home, menu, volume down, menu, screen flip, source, enter, return, volume up, mute. How to use. Set up your entertainment quickly with the Happrun H1 projector. Just place it on a flat surface, connect the power cable, and turn it on. Before using the remote, insert the batteries and power on the projector. Point the remote at it and press the pairing button if needed. Once paired, you can control power, source, menu, and volume easily. Rotate the focus ring on the side or top of the projector until the image appears clear and sharp. If the screen looks distorted, use the manual keystone correction to align it properly. Take a moment to fine-tune both adjustments for the best viewing quality. Once set, enjoy crystal clear visuals up to 200 inches in stunning Full HD, HDR10, and 4K decoding. How to connect. Power on the projector and open the menu with the remote. Turn on Bluetooth, put your speaker or headphones in pairing mode, and select the device on screen. Audio will then play through the Bluetooth device. Plug one end of an HDMI cable into your laptop and the other end into the projector's HDMI port. Turn on both devices and use the projector remote to select HDMI as the input source. Your laptop screen will appear instantly on the projector. To connect a smartphone, use a USB-C or Lightning HDMI adapter and select HDMI on the projector. Or connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi and enable screen mirroring. Your phone's display will appear on the projector. Power on the projector and insert your USB drive. Use the remote to select videos, photos, or music from the on-screen menu. Playback and controls are handled easily through the remote. Smart features. If you are looking for a high-quality projector of 1920 by 1080 clear picture, Happrun H1 Native 1080p projector must be your top choice. You could enjoy full HD movies and TV shows with HD sharper, brighter, and richer images at night. Watching movies and videos with cinema-level surround effect would please you more, and all you need is a 1080p Bluetooth projector. Wireless connecting to headphones, speakers, soundbar, and other audio equipment through Bluetooth for crisp, clear sound quality. We all know that Wi-Fi would cause signal delay, but a wired connection from phone to HDMI projectors would provide a more stable signal. Especially when going outside, traveling, or have outdoor night party, it's hard to find Wi-Fi. Searching for a mini portable projector that would work in your bedrooms? Also, want it portable to work for the outdoor movie night? Then you should try the Happrun projectors. 40 to 200 inches, projection display at 6.8 to 16.4 feet. Projection distance, home or outside at your will. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Happrun Native H1 projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Happrun Native H1 projector. See you in the next one.